Hey everyone, welcome to Campbell's Coins. This is the latest release from Germania Mint, and I gotta say, it is pretty amazing. This is the Valkyrie series Hildegard, except this one is a little different from their earlier release. It's 1 ounce of 4/9 fine, pure silver, but it is also multi-metal plating using yellow gold, ruthenium, and palladium. They put this hologram over the moon, and it is such a smaller mintage from its parent coin. Only 999 minted. On the obverse of the coin, Hildegard is depicted as the protector of men. Behind the Valkyrie, there is a stronghold guarded by a high wall of wooden palisade. In her hand, Hildegard holds a Germanic spear and a shield with the image of the Fenrir wolf. On the goddess's armor, the rune Algiz is engraved. Hildegard is accompanied by a wolf, which also can be seen in the background of the coin, on a rock, howling at the moon. The reverse presents a completely new design, combining both the signature Germania Mint double-headed eagle, as well as the new Germanic ruins and a howling wolf. Let's look at some B-roll footage. All of their coins have insane, minute details, which is really refreshing to see. They are cleanly struck. It comes in a capsule with a COA, and this one has this really neat package. The little booklet it comes in has magnets that snap the lid shut. They are releasing a 2 ounce antique high relief version, and it looks pretty good. The main selling point to Germania Mint is their quality, low mintage, and really great designs. But that comes at a price, mainly the price. Germania Mint isn't something you want to stack. Most of their stuff can be very pricey. These coins are for the collector. Although their 1 ounce BU rounds cost a little more than an American Silver Eagle. And when you factor in the quality, the design, and the low mintage, I think you might find that the extra cost is well worth it. Unfortunately, the prices really go up from there if you get a proof 2 ounce or larger size, or an antique coin, or a colorized coin like this one. This is because the mintages on these are all incredibly low, and the quality is so good. I've seen colorized coins before, and a lot of them are just not done well. It's almost a crime to call these colorized coins because it's not a plastic sheet placed over the round. These metals are plated over the silver. I get asked a lot about the pricing and exactly when the release will come out. I don't know, but I can give you some resources that you can check out. Obviously, your first stop should be to check out Germania Mint's links. If you're looking to buy Germania Mint, I have a few sources. These folks that I'm going to mention, I don't get paid by them. I don't get any kickbacks. They're just good people. Avenue Coin, who is my LCS, sells a lot of Germania Mint silver bars. I think that they are a Germania Mint dealer. I don't know for a fact. And I think they just got a shipment of their 100-gram bars. I've only seen them carrying the bars, so if you're going there to look for the rounds, they won't have them. And if you live outside of California or their area, they're in Stockton, California, they can ship the product to you safely and securely. So don't use that as a reason to not buy from them. Big Bear Coin on Instagram does a lot of pre-orders for Germania Mint's coins. I've done business with him and you can trust him. He doesn't know that I'm doing this shout out, but if you take a look at his page, he does a lot of orders for premium coins just like this one. I want to give a huge thank you to Germania Mint for sending this to me to review. I also wanted to make an effort going forward to give a shout out to fellow YouTubers at least a couple times a month. This week, I want to give a huge shout out to T, the Silver Stacker. T is producing some great content interviewing various coin shops in his area as well as fellow YouTubers. I find his LCS interviews really insightful, especially if you're new to stacking. So check out his channel. Also, I received some channel mail. This one is from Old Country Coin Collector. And no, I'm not going to have you read it on its side upside down. Let's just put this up here. Dear Campbell's Coins, I've enjoyed watching and learning from your channel, such as Goldbacks and the 1933 Gold Heist. Thank you for the advice on how to grow my channel. Keep up the great work, and here's a gift and a sticker. Thanks, Old Country Coin Collector. Thank you for your support, Old Country Coin Collector. That was a very nice letter. If you would like to send me anything, I have my P.O. box listed down in the video description. If you sent me something in the last month, I'm very sorry. I haven't gotten to check my P.O. box in quite a while. It's another zip code away, and I've just been too busy and lazy to get there. I will soon. Also, I'm compiling some viewer questions to do another viewer mail segment. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to send them to campbellscoins@gmail.com. That's campbellscoins@gmail.com. Campbell's is spelled just like the soup. Some people leave out the P, some people leave out the B, just like the soup. Your time is your most precious asset, and I appreciate you spending it here with me. Thank you all for watching. This is Campbell's Coins, and that is my 2 cents.